Welcome to dbForge Studio for MySQL tutorials. In this video, we will show you how to optimize your SQL queries with Query Profiler, a powerful tool that helps you increase the performance of your databases. You are a software developer wondering why certain operations are lagging, a database developer struggling to find bottlenecks in your processes, a database admin looking for ways to accelerate SQL query execution? Then, Query Profiler is the right tool for you. With Query Profiler, you can easily monitor your query execution plans, track resource consumption, and identify performance bottlenecks. Through intuitive visualizations, Query Profiler shows you what is going on during query execution and suggests optimization. Query Profiler is included in dbForge Studio, so there's no need to install it separately. Launch the Studio and click Query Profiler on the Start page. Let's see if your next query needs optimization. For example, you need to scan your database table for all customers whose last name is Smith and retrieve their ID, store ID, last name, and first name. When the query is executed, Query Profiler displays its profile showing the total duration of the query execution with a breakdown by operations. You can easily see which operations are the most time-consuming. In our case, opening tables takes the longest. Let's take a look at the plan section of the query profile. Here, you see a detailed account of how the query was processed, including the methods used in its execution, the order of operations, the number of rows scanned, etc. The plan section helps to identify performance bottlenecks and suggests optimization opportunities. For example, we can add an index to the table to accelerate execution. Finally, the session statistics give you a complete picture of all the query performance metrics: the number of data reads, the number of files and tables opened, the number of requests, as well as lots of other useful details. Also, here you can find the total cost of query processing. Once we have identified the issue that slows down our query execution, a missing index, let's try and fix it. Following the guidance provided by Query Profiler, we locate the customer table in Database Explorer and proceed to creating a new index for the last name column. An index will accelerate lookup for the column without altering its physical data. Let's go back to Query Profiler and see if our database updates have any effect on the query performance. You can see that the execution time is reduced and the estimated cost is lower. This is how Query Profiler can help you optimize your databases and improve their performance. It gives you a convenient environment for experimenting, providing visual validation of your ideas. You can compare profiling results placed side by side, with performance improvements highlighted in green and declines in red. Query Profiler shows you how the updates you make to your database affect query performance, with changes shown for multiple parameters. You can instantly see if your updates have a positive or negative effect on the database performance, opening further improvement opportunities. As you have seen, Query Profiler is an essential tool for database optimization. Whether you are troubleshooting resource-intensive queries or seeking to simplify complex workloads, Query Profiler makes the process faster and more understandable. Now it's all up to you. Download a free trial of dbForge Studio for MySQL and get first-hand experience with the integrated Query Profiler. Thank you for watching.